Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I want to show you how to delete YouTube history easily. So let's get started. First of all, open a YouTube app and we will go to YouTube app and open it. After opening YouTube app, going to YouTube logo or your channel logo, click on logo and here we can click on setting icon. After clicking on setting icon, we will see multiple options and we will go to manage all history tab and click on manage all history tab. We will see multiple options here, so please wait some seconds. We will require to showing that. So here are multiple options and we will click on delete tab. After clicking on delete tab, here are three options and we will select delete all time. After clicking on delete all time, there is there are multiple options that so we will click on delete options for deleting our search history, and now last one we will click on got it. Now you can see that our YouTube search history is now clear, so here no recently history are located. Thanks for watching.